Hello friends, today we will be looking at the Hindalco chart. There is an interesting chart formation here. Let us see how it works now. Let us look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, it has made a very nice triangle. So if you look at this dotted line, the red dotted line, it has created a very nice triangle on the daily chart. Now, if we look at the higher time frame charts, that is the weekly chart, for example. On the weekly chart, it is currently in the weekly demand zone. Plus, it has created a kind of low gap here. So the chance of the price going up from here is a little higher than the price going down from here. That said, the pro gap has been tested once and it has not really crossed this previous line. Secondly, if we look at the daily chart, monthly chart, sorry, it is currently bouncing from a previous monthly demand zone, and there is another demand zone below it. So in this kind of a formation with monthly demand zones very close to each other, there seems to be a very strong support that will not let the price go down too much, even if it breaks this previous low. Now coming back to the daily zone. So on the monthly chart, we can see strong support. On the weekly chart, we can see strong support, but the price moving sideways on it. And in the daily chart, we are seeing a triangle. Now, if you look at this formation, it also had created a very nice demand zone here, from where I have taken a trade, week to week trade, an uptrending kind of trade, a long trade. And now if this triangle breaks out, I will be looking at a target of around 2:1 reward to risk ratio till the next supply zone. And the next supply zone is quite up actually. It could even give us 3:1, but I am happy with 2:1. So this will be a good trade, about 45 rupees on an investment of 402 rupees. So if we look at the potential profit, 45 divided by 402, it's all in numbers here, about 11% profit. Can make it percentage. If I make it into percentage, it will be about 11% profits. So I will be happy with an 11% profit if it gives me that. Otherwise, it will go down and hit a stop loss at about 5.5%. I'm okay with that. So what I will be interested in knowing is, if you are also analyzing this stock, what will you do? Will you look at a long trade or a short trade? According to your analysis, do you think the triangle will break downwards and give big targets downwards? Or do you think the triangle will break upwards and give big targets upwards? Or do you think that the price may continue to move sideways for some more time before making a decision? I will be interested to see your analysis in the comments to this video. And if you would like to see more such videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share these videos that I'm sharing if you really like it, and if you would like to share it with your friends. Before I end, a disclaimer. I am not a qualified investment advisor, and this is not an investment advice. This is purely being shared from the purpose of learning, mutual learning, where I share my trades, you share your comments, and we all learn in the process. If we end up making some money in the process, it will be purely incidental. If we end up losing some money in the process, it will also be purely incidental. And I will not take responsibility for any profits or losses made by you using this analysis. If you would like to invest, please take advice from a qualified investment advisor or do your own analysis and trade with your own responsibility. I will be looking forward to your comments to this trade, and let us all learn together and make money together. Thank you very much. I'll now stop the recording.